Welcome back to Reviews Inside TV, where we bring you the most detailed insights on products that make a difference. Today, we're talking about a powerhouse in the blender world, the Breville Commercial Super Q Pro Blender, model CBL920BS1BNA1, with a stunning brushed stainless steel finish. With a 68-ounce capacity and a 1,800-watt motor under the hood, this blender is marketed as a commercial-grade solution for the home kitchen, promising to deliver silky smooth blends at the touch of a button. But does it live up to the hype? Let's take a closer look. The Super Q Pro comes with an impressive array of features designed to enhance your blending experience. At its core, you've got a powerful 1,800-watt motor that generates an incredible 2.4 horsepower, easily earning its spot as one of the most powerful blenders on the market. This translates to a top speed of 186 miles per hour at the blade tip, enabling the blender to handle a wide range of ingredients with ease, from hard frozen fruit to tough vegetables. But it's not just raw power that makes this blender stand out, it's the way that power is controlled. The Super Q Pro boasts 5 one-touch programs, including Pulse, Ice Crush, Stir, Boost, and a bit more. These presets automatically optimize the blending time and speed, so whether you're looking to whip up a smoothie or crush ice, you don't have to worry about fiddling with settings. One thing that stands out immediately is the versatility of the Super Q Pro. With 12 different speed settings, it offers a level of precision that's typically reserved for commercial kitchens. Whether you're making creamy nut butters, grinding spices, or blending a perfectly smooth soup, the variety of textures you can create is impressive. The precision speed dial, combined with a built-in 6-minute timer that auto-stops when the cycle is complete, makes it easier than ever to create the exact texture you want. This isn't just a blender, it's a whole kitchen tool in one. Of course, no blender is complete without its noise performance, and the Super Q Pro has been designed with noise suppression technology. Breville's unique fan and motor technology help reduce the overall noise levels, meaning you get all that power without the unbearable racket you might expect from a commercial-grade blender. This is a thoughtful touch, especially for those who don't want to disturb the household every time they want to make a quick smoothie or sauce. When it comes to real-world testing, the Super Q Pro performs exceptionally well. Setting up the blender was a breeze. Just plug it in, select your desired preset function, and let it go to work. I tried out a few different use cases, including blending a smoothie, crushing ice for a frozen cocktail, and creating a creamy nut butter. The smoothie program delivered a silky smooth result in under a minute, even with frozen strawberries, bananas, and spinach. I was particularly impressed by the consistency. The blend was free from any chunks or grittiness, something that many blenders struggle with. When it came to ice crushing, the Ice Crush program turned ice into snow in seconds. The Pulse function, which gives you extra control, was perfect for a quick burst of blending, ideal for making a quick salsa or chunky dip. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. While the Super Q Pro is undoubtedly powerful, it can be a bit overkill for smaller tasks. For those who only make the occasional smoothie, the sheer size and motor power might feel a bit excessive. The blender is also fairly large, which could be a concern for those with limited counter space. Additionally, while the noise suppression is a great feature, it's still not completely silent. Though, for a blender with this much power, the noise level is on the lower end of the spectrum compared to competitors. Now let's talk value for money. At the price point, the Breville Super Q Pro is undoubtedly an investment. However, when you consider its high-end motor, versatile features, and durable build quality, you're getting a lot of bang for your buck. It's priced higher than some home blenders, but it's also more capable, making it a solid choice for people who want a blender that can handle almost any task you throw at it. If you're serious about your blending needs, whether that's making nut milks, sauces, or even grinding your own flour, the Super Q Pro is a great option. That said, if you only need something for basic smoothies, there are other models that may offer a better price-to-performance ratio. Looking at the competition, there are several comparable blenders on the market. For example, Vitamix's 7500 model offers similar power and features, including a 64-ounce container and a range of speeds, but it's typically priced a bit higher than the Super Q Pro. On the other hand, models like the Ninja BL770 or the KitchenAid KSB 1575 have fewer speed settings and less power, but they are much more affordable for anyone who doesn't need commercial-grade performance. In terms of build quality, the Breville Super Q Pro is solid. The brushed stainless steel finish gives it a premium look and feel, while the construction overall feels sturdy and reliable. The large 68-ounce container is made from durable plastic, which is both lightweight and resistant to damage. Although there isn't a lot of long-term data available on this particular model, Breville has a reputation for manufacturing durable, high-quality products that stand the test of time. When it comes to customer support, Breville is known for its responsive and helpful service. I haven't had to reach out for any issues with this model yet, but based on previous experiences with Breville, I'd expect quick and efficient support if any issues arise. The brand has built a solid reputation over the years, especially with its premium line of blenders. To wrap up, the Breville Super Q Pro blender stands out for its power, versatility, and user-friendly features. Its presets make blending a breeze, while the powerful motor and noise suppression technology offer a smoother experience than many competitors in its class. The price may be a bit steep for some, but if you're looking for a blender that can handle everything from smoothies to nut butters to grinding flour, it's an investment that could pay off in the long run. It's a solid choice for serious home chefs or anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen with a reliable, high-performance blender. Thanks for tuning into this review. If you're interested in the Breville Super Q Pro, you can find the link to get yours in the comments box below. Feel free to leave any questions or share your experiences with the product if you already own it. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, stay blending with Reviews Inside TV.